Another airdrop video. The testnet will coming soon, so plume network. So here is I'm looking for their testnet, and the testnet is coming, but in order to join their testnet, being eligible, first you need to uh, fill up their form. Okay, the form, you need to connect your metamask, you need to connect your Twitter, all sort of things. So before we go into this video, inside of this video, I have something to say to you, that please like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so I want to show I will show you the plume network fundraising, how much money and they got from investment. So everything I'm going to show you. Okay, so for in order to getting the link, the offer link, step by step guide, come into Telegram, and here you will get everything. Okay, the post you are seeing here. Okay, so I'm showing you, this is their post. So pretty much, amazing. So what you need to do is, in order to join here, first read all sort of terms that you need to uh, accomplished. Okay, connect with metamask, connect Twitter, follow, like, retweet, connect Discord, join Discord, done. Incentivize testnet soon. So here is their post. This is their post, Twitter post, and for joining you need to just click on this link, and that's it. So before we going inside of this testnet, I will give you some recommendation for uh, you know for joining testnet or airdrop. So the mindset is, you need to have consistency and patience. Okay, that's it. So these two things is important here. Every income, every online income, it could be offline. In order to getting success in field, you need to have patience and consistency, and that's it. So click on this form, this link, and after clicking on that link will bring you inside of here. Okay, Plume's incentivization form. So maybe you have here metamask. Inside of your extension, I have my metamask here. So what I need to do is just click on this connect wallet. Okay, so after connect wallet, click on this metamask, this suggested browser, and what will be happened, it is loading pretty much, and here is metamask get notified. Okay, so wait a few minutes. After waiting, it will be open, like, yeah. So here is put your password that you put on while you create your metamask. So, and which account you want to connect, the first, sorry, my third account, because it's my third browser. So connect your wallet in with the form, plain website, and click this network. It's your main net, has to be. And if it is not it is worked, so your um, address has been showed up here. So what you need to do is, uh, in order to enter the inside, what you need to do, click on the sign button for getting signature. Okay, that you are the owner of this address. And pretty much straightforward, nothing complicated. Okay, if you feel anything complicated, if you don't understand anything that I said, please write down comment or come into Telegram inside of my profile, and and knock me. I will definitely answer you. So click on this next button after verify your wallet, like this way. So click on this next button, and next is connect your Twitter as well as Discord and submit. That's it. So let's connect Twitter. The Twitter is opening. What you need to do is just click on this authorized apps, and your Twitter will be connected. That as on your browser, the Twitter is connected with your browser. And sometimes it could be problem, but many times it could be execute. Okay, so wait 2 minutes here. If it is not done, maybe your network problem. My network, if you notice here, so much, if I showed you so here inside of here network is so bad. However, so wait a minute. So I've already connected my Twitter. So if it is true problem, uh do desktop mode or turn on your VPN, and that's it. So if you are noticed here, I already connect my Twitter here. So what I need to do is follow this all account that they put on. Okay, so follow as much as you can do. So I'm doing follow them. So A to J, whatever Twitter account they provided on the onboard screen, follow them, because the airdrop and testnet is instruction that you need to you know you need to align with their instructions. Okay, so if you don't do anything, you don't get anything, and that's it. So every task could be immediately done if you do done. So I'm doing here. So I done all of work. So here is I need to connect their Discord inside of your Discord account. Same way that as you did the Twitter on. So connect your Discord account with their website. So click on this authorize here, and it will be done immediately. Okay, very straightforward, easy to do. And after doing that, what you need to do is just follow on instruction next update about PLUME airdrop, this airdrop. Okay, so we done all sort of thing. So must join, you need to join inside of their Discord. So I'm joining after I'm come back. So I joined inside of their Discord and do verify. Just they give you some puzzle like 1 2 3 4, like this type of, and after joining, after verified, click on this button, it will be immediately done while they check you. Okay, click on this. I'm not a robot, and here is the bridge, where the bridge is this one, this one, this one, and this one, and bounce, where with bounce here, click on the submit button. That will be immediately done. Thank you. Income points on for 330, and that's it. The next update I will give you inside of the Telegram. Maybe I can create YouTube video, but before I create video, I will publish on Telegram. Come into Telegram, and I will meet you inside of Telegram. So be community of our. So it's your channel, it's money making channel. Come into here, and I will be glad to you.